SPYI has two mechanisms it uses. One is that it rolls its upside option, its call option, consistently. So it may be trading once a day, once a week, more than that. I don't follow the fund's intraday flows, so I don't know how often they trade, but I know that it's frequent. That leads to some turnover, but it also leads to more upside over time because they're able to adapt to ongoing market conditions. They also have, and I don't think they've deployed this. I was listening to an interview with the portfolio manager on YouTube, and he was saying that we've never used this, but they have the ability to buy long calls, which would provide extra upside at certain opportune times. I thought they would have deployed this in April because of how quickly they caught up after the market crash and correction, but they didn't, according to the portfolio manager. So they have the option if they need. For options people, this would create a like a credit spread basically that would allow you to not only cap your upside but cap your downside to a certain degree. GPIX is a little different. They use a strategy called dynamic overwrite, where essentially they're modulating the amount of the portfolio that they sell calls on. So at the bottom in April, they were very worried about, well, what if we rebound, go right back up, which we did. And so they sold on a much smaller portion of the portfolio. It reduced income, which at the time people were a little bit upset about. But once they saw why, right, the market started to go back up and GPIX had more upside participation, it kept up with the market better. And the income has come back, right? Now that we're back to higher levels, they can write on a larger portion of the portfolio. They see us, back towards all-time highs. So they can modulate back up again and generate more income. It leads to this more variable structure, but it also leads to a fund that doesn't decay over time. It's been one of the big issues that a lot of covered call ETFs have had, is they slowly grind down over time. And these two strategies, the catch-ups, have been working so far.